today's Speedy Summer Crafts, we're going to transform this visual diary and clear pencil case into this activity pack for you or your kids. Let's make this. My inspiration for this project is the multitude of customized pencil cases and journals and books that are out there at the moment. It's such a great way of learning how to use your Cricut, and it's one of those first activities or those first projects that you usually do, which is to personalize something of yours or your children's or your partner's. So going on a cruise, you've got a lot of time on your hands, so why not customize a little activity pouch for yourself or your kids or your friends? Apart from some scrap vinyl, I have got a pencil case that you can see is a clear plastic pencil case and a Reeves visual diary. I've got an A5 size visual diary that fits right inside that pencil case. And both of those I got from Officeworks, and my grip mat, which will be a standard grip mat as we're using just regular vinyl. This project is dead easy. Now, it is just a matter of adding some text to the pencil case as well as to the art journal that I've got. I'm just going to put my own name on there because I am going on a cruise and this is what I'm using it for. So I'm taking inspiration from parents who pack things for their children, and I'm going to do it for myself. So I've just chosen for the pencil case, I'm going to do Anita's and activities. So I'm doing a block lettering called Big Apple for my name. And then I am going to do a script font called Filler Demo. And I'm going to do a bit of layering and some offset slicing. Now, if you wanted to go back and have a look at how to do some offset slicing in a little bit more detail, then why not head over to my French stripe bookmark project from last year, and it goes into detail on how to do the slicing and how best to use your offsets in this process. You can see that I created a square shape, and that square shape is just to represent the pencil case. So it was a 23 centimetre across, so it didn't matter the particular height because I was creating the shape or the text to go along the bottom, but I just needed to make sure that it wasn't going to be too wide. And then for the book, I've got a 20 centimetre book, so I am just going to put Anita on that rather than Anita's activities, and I'm just going to cut that out of vinyl. So it's a clear plastic pencil case, so I can't actually do any iron-on for this one, but that's fine. It's will stick really well to this clear plastic. So I've made sure I've done offsets on both the pencil case text as well as the art journal text. It will just make sure that those names just pop up off the pencil case and off the journal. And then it's just a matter of going through and doing a make, and I'm going to cut a vinyl. To complement how easy it was to create this in Design Space, the production of this is dead easy as well. So it's just a matter of wiping down the pencil case. So I'm going to start with the pencil case. I'm just going to wipe that down with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And then I put the offset down first. So we're layering it. So we layer from the bottom up. I'm going to put the offset and then I put the text. Then going to repeat that process for the journal or the visual art diary, and then we're done. It is a really, really quick and easy way of inspiration, and maybe we'll get you to pull out that diary every now and then and to do a little bit of drawing or sketching or painting or whatever it is that you're going to do, or whatever you love to do. Doesn't look great. I really like it. It's just something that just makes me happy, makes you joyful, and it was easy and it was fast and it was cheap because we used hardly any vinyl. I bought a cheap little diary and a cheap little pencil case, and I think it looks great. So get in there, have a go. A great summer project for our short summer series. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget, you can always jump on my Instagram, head over to my Etsy store, or even check out the videos YouTube recommends for you down below.